5 more days, but the friends never think of him. He just left like that, and one day what happened in the sense, he want to open one room, but one room is locked over there, they couldn't open it, but he want to open that room. He tried with many weapons, tools, but at last time he just opened it. What is there in this room is full of blood bath over there, and then full of bones of dead bodies. But after seeing that, what happened? He is so shocked, and he want to reveal this thing to their friends because they are in all happy mood and joyful mood. If he reveals it, their mood will spoil. So he don't want to reveal that. So this happens for 2 more days. What happened in the sense, one fine morning, he just lost one of his friends. So they were searching their friend, and they were searching all over the big castle, but they couldn't find him. Then what happened in the sense, they thought that he might be gone for to see a people of village, and then he might have gone to them. Then next day, including Nagaland went, because if he is there in a castle, he might have thinking the same thing. So he went with them. So on the way to the forest, they were just walking through a forest. They saw a man lying with a white cloth. But they all thought they didn't think it is their friend, but they thought that a person needs some help. So they went near to it. They just opened it. The face looked similar to their friend. They just washed that place full of blood. They just washed it, and they just said it's their friend. They all were shocked that looking at their friend, but that time Nagaland reveals what he saw in the place.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ಲಿ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ಲಿಯೂ
ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. All six keep together.
So he reveals it, but they just want to think that it's not a truth. So it's made his imagination. He want to open the door, but they all thought that it might be an imagination. So they all left the place and they came to a castle. So after castle they came, he just opened the door and he shown all the things over there. And then after that, what will happen in the sense? They all thought, a few of them, they are just grouped into two. One is saying we can stay here. Then other group is saying we can go. Because there's something over here, if he says as an youngster, if he says here, then it will be some dangerous to us. We have a life to be upon. They were having some few conversation over here. Then at last they came that we can able to stay here and we can able to face it. So here Nagaland comes and you have some mind games. And then at last we just came to a conclusion that mind games all are just saying during the presentation.
Right, so what's the first sequence?
So characters also.
Character.
So characters here all are the students of Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT in Chennai. So Vicky, a student of Indian IIT in Chennai. The name of a course he studies is Master of Business Administration by Vedavarshan. With Rahul, same the students of IIT, the course name is BTech Aerospace Engineering. It is played by Nagaland. Adilya, it is played by Mitra. A course name is MTech in Biomedical Engineering. David, his course name is Executive Master of Business by Balaji Anna. Mohammed Chan, it is MTech in CSC Computer Science by Hariharan. Yadi,
Mohammed Chan.
So Yarni, BTech in Physics Engineering by Brinda. Akash is MSc in Physics by Kavin Raj. William, MSc in Chemistry by Nitin. Sarah, BTech in Physics by Kalpita. And Samir, Master of Business Administration by Nitin Murugan. Maunika, BSc in Programming and Data Science by Mridubhashini. And Isaac, BTech in Naval Architecture by Dakshin. Adavan, MSc in Physics by Krishnan. Amira, BTech Biomedical Engineering by Kiran. Akshara, BTech by Naval Architecture by Priya. Raghav, Executive Master of Business by Prabhaditya, James BSc in Programming and Data Science by Ritin, Ashwin, BTech in Aerospace Engineering by Karthik, Aishu, BTech in Chemical Engineering by Virnaka.
You people can talk to them as friends, and as the discussion goes on, then you shall reveal a particular place where you all can go. It's a kind of a vacation for all of you, and you're all speaking on that terms. So if you're ready, I'll ask everybody to come. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that's good. Nitin Murugan's name is, Nitin Murugan, do you know your name? Nitin Murugan.
Sir, can you repeat that just one time, sir?
Samir.
Your name. Do you know the name?
No, sir. Can you repeat it just one time, sir?
Okay, your name is Samir. And you're also one among the college students. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi.
So how are you all?
Fine. How are you?
Fine.
Do you have any plan to spend our vacation?
Just now we came here. Let us have some discussion and then we shall decide.
Straight to the discuss always.
I don't know.
Hello, everyone. How are you all? Hi. How are you? Very nice. Very nice. How are you doing?
Are you all good? Yeah, we are fine.
How's your life? Are you all enjoying? Having fun?
Same as 10 days ago when we left from college. So,
10 days. You didn't see any changes? Same as like?
we saw a new movie itself.
Any plans for your future job, profession?
The aerospace being probably totally.
You are only speaking. They two are very silent.
Yeah, you are asking questions to only me. You are not
No,
asking
I'm
questions to
asking
them.
for
What?
all
Everyone, not
everyone
only
here.
you.
Start. Come on. He's a computer basically.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I am working on a computer, so I am very enjoying it.
enjoy.
Enjoying
He
being a
has
computer.
already entered into his business life, extra
Yes, yes.
life.
How are you passing your time?
It's not boring.
He's a computer. What can they do?
Yeah, interesting movies, everything.
What
I
about
have
you?
a break that I will be trying in internet.
Oh,
I will be working on my.
Nice.
okay.
What about you? What did you do? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Come on, speak up. You are always very silent. Come on. Come on.
I not that you know. Don't do it. Wait.
Okay, there are some people in online. You just talk about.
So, ma'am, are we arrived here for an planning where we can go? So, why are we talking about our opposite stuff? We came here to enjoy, not to discuss
This is
and
all.
bring the headache back.
What's the deck?
This is also enjoyment.
What is this? What is up with this?
And we are also not speaking James, and it's boring for you. Means then why did you come here? We are all having fun. Yes, right?
Yeah,
Just sit in the home and eat popcorn. That will be enjoying for
We
you.
are all enjoying. That's it. We can't.
So
speak.
so let us let us have fun and enjoyment wherever we go. So, and let us do not have confusions amongst ourselves.
Correct.
Yeah, for
Nice.
that we merge.
Okay.
Excuse me. Who are all you people? This place Do you own this place? You are sitting as though you own this place. I'm living in this village. Why I not garage here? Yeah. Huh?
We are planning for
Vocation. What does that mean? What does that mean? Vocation.
Vacation, tour,
Two.
holiday plan, holiday plan.
So you don't
Leave.
do you don't have anything to study and all that?
No.
All done.
All done.
Yeah.
Our college.
Almost all of us passed. Some of us.
Almost. Only almost.
One day still writing his exam, so he's still doing that. He joins tomorrow, don't you?
Yes.
Don't you feel that there is a kind of a odd breeze and all that, and it's not a breeze actually, it's a kind of a odd wind or storm. Don't you feel that?
No. That's another one of our friends. He causes these types of disturbances. He will also join us tomorrow, don't you? He's a short. You'll realize him when he comes.
No, normally people don't get accustomed and connect this as they consider this as a meeting spot or something. So they always keep themselves away from this village. So you people are gathered here. It was all of a sudden a kind of something that is new that is happening. So
Yes, we are
I was
planning
wondering.
something.
Is
That's
there one
Yes, we are planning it. We just
nearby any?
Tourist place or something.
yeah, there is a mountain in the eastern side. There is a very big palace, and there is a house. All these are distinctive, and all these are split places.
how many kilometers are the distance?
7 kilometers. You will find a hill over there, 5 kilometers, and you will have a house, an isolated house in 7 kilometers. Maybe you can go there.
You mentioned some palace.
Yeah,
How much
palace,
kilometers?
mansion or
That's
palace.
about in 11 kilometers or 12 kilometers. It's going to be a long time walk for it.
Then that's also going to be a fun.
Yeah.
Whatever the decision you make it fast and pay the place. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what is your name?
My name is Syed Abdullah. I'm residing here. So you make a decision and move on.
Hey, we are having about 7 kilometers.
it is near it, right?
Let's go.
Yeah,
Trekking
we will
outside, trekking out.
Definitely, we will go to the castle. Then
If
we
you're
will go to
climbing,
the
we keep
cave.
it simple. If you're walking on a road, it's called walking.
But that's okay. Leave it. We should go to the castle first.
Yes,
Then
sure. Castle, what castle?
So next we'll just go for a castle, and next day morning we'll go for a early morning.
Okay, early morning. Okay? We can meet his friends. I mean, like, we can meet wild animals.
They're not my friends.
Oh, you love nature, no? So only.
Okay, freeze. Now, a stranger has come and given them a kind of an alarming factor. That is, it's a very isolated place, and it is not a very good congenial place to have discussion among the friends. So now, as per the script, the plot administrator mentioned that somebody who is belonging in the online team will reveal about that particular place. So who is going to speak, and what are you going to reveal?
Sir, me, sir.
Yeah, who intend?
So we are going to the castle in a faraway place, somewhere in the Middle East of North India, and we're going to stay there. So we are going there by vacation.
What do you mean, Middle East?
Middle East means like Delhi or Bangalore
Middle East
or
We are here in Chennai. You want to go up till Delhi for what is this?
however, that's also going to be fun, but not more than walking to castle, trekking.
Trekking and all we can go. For you, what you're sitting in your home only, no.
We'll just go through flight to Delhi.
So friends, is it okay near Kerala border?
Kerala.
I know a place.
Kerala border. Kerala border, perfect location. Let's go now. My home also near there.
yes,
Let's go.
that's a good idea.
Is it a castle, your home or mansion?
Yeah, that's a very nice idea.
Yeah, very big castle. We'll go some other time, okay? Where did you want to go?
Yeah, near Kerala, I know a place which is a bit suitable for all of us. So everyone is okay with that?
Tell us more.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
We need more information.
Yeah. Sorry?
They might be needing more information about the spot. Yes, we have got plenty of places near Kerala, but what makes it so special that you people can go and have party over there or whatever enjoyment or vacation over there, that's as you mentioned.
So basically, it's fully covered up by the trees, a good breeze, and good air for us.
Nice timing.
Good trees, good breeze. You will go and freeze. Right. Okay, what's the next sequence?
So next sequence is we are all gathered in a village, sir. So online people will act as village people, sir. The spin-off role. They need to welcome our students, sir. First they welcome, sir, and we all say, sir, and we both have some conversations, sir, about the village we just asked it, sir. And then they'll say where they are going to stay, sir. And but they'll say there is some people left inside it, but they didn't come back. That's it.
Okay.
Again,
No, you are in the village. What time is particular? So as the online people might have listened what Kirta mentioned, you people are the village people and these people have arrived at your village. So a conversation between the village people and the students who have gathered here in the village. So Idhi and Aditya, you can also participate as village people, having a general conversation with the new visitors. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go.
So hello ma'am.
Welcome to our village, everyone.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome
So I know where are you
to
from?
village.
Thank you, sir. We are
From which place are you from?
Chennai, ma'am. Chennai.
Madras.
Okay. Oh, Madras. So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for what you all been gathering here?
We just came for a vacation, ma'am. Yeah.
Two.
Nearby some
Castle.
Bangla there, ma'am.
Yeah, there is a place near here.
Yes, sir. 10, 20 kilometers.
50 kilometers.
50 kilometers.
What is this 10 kilometers? Sir, from here they told that there is a castle about 50 kilometers.
Bangla, sir.
Big Bangla.
Yeah, in 50 kilometers there is a place.
Okay, so how can we
yeah, it's above the hill.
Hello, just complete this. Every single person complete the statement and expect the other people to speak. Don't be overexcited. One. Speak about that Bangla. Somebody said that the Bangla, repeat the same statement again.
Prabhu, you only go. Come on.
Okay, written what I said about the forest. Sorry, the hill.
So there is a place above the mountain, so that will be a good view for all of you. So enjoy your vacations.
Thank
And
you,
the
sir.
Bangla is a very very nice Bangla, and it has and many people came to visit that Bangla, and they have good reviews like 4-star in it. If you go to Just Dial, and if you see the reviews of that Bangla, it shows 4 stars and all.
Yeah, that's a very good scenery place. So you can all enjoy the nature there, and we have a nearby forest also there, so you can go trekking and you can enjoy it.
Everything seems nice.
There are some flower-bearing trees, some good tasty fruits too, but some may be poisonous. Be careful about that.
May I come in?
Yes, sir. Please, what's your name? Who are you?
It doesn't matter who I am. In that TV, some people are speaking about something. And they are explaining about a castle. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Are they speaking about Saint Victoria Castle?
Yeah, that's what.
Is it Saint Victoria Castle you people are speaking about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why, sir, why is your face so dull and very tedious?
No, I should be giving more kind of bizarre expressions. Saint Victoria Castle is okay. You just go on.
Is this this?
No, you just carry on with the
Yes,
conversation.
sir. Yes, sir. You tell, sir.
You look very old, so you can't do. You know about this?
Need some mixed laptop or something.
No, the very visit to Saint Victoria will make you like what I'm looking. I'm just coming from there. It
You
will make
just
you.
explain in detail, sir. We can't
It will
It's
make
raining there, sir. You got a head cold or something.
I'm having everything. So last week, last night I went there, and no, even if you're putting mask all over your face, you will still have the same problem when you visit Victoria. Same Victoria Place is a sacred place, and it is not something to be visited just like it is a tourism spot or something. All these people are explaining about the positive points of St. Victoria Castle, which was prevailing half a century ago. 50 years, 60 years earlier, yes, there was cold breeze, there was a kind of a wonderful atmosphere and all that. But right now it is completely different. I don't know why they are giving such misleading information for you. I don't really know. I don't really know. I cannot give you the exact description. Yes, okay. If you are asking me in that particular school of thought of haunted, yes, it's a bit haunted too.
I don't think that any abnormal things happened or
I don't know, but in several kinds of occasions I have seen people visiting there. Either people will go deceased or people will go disappear. Deceased people will not be very far. No. That includes me. I don't know. Last night, for my research purpose, I went inside and I got so ill. You would be seeing me in another couple of days or so. I am not a person who is very much worried about keeping the soul and retaining the soul, but you people are youngsters. As you mentioned, yeah, I'm 21. So you people are youngsters. I think they are giving misleading information.
But you told it
There are
was
4 things that I would like to say about St. Victoria Castle. Number 1, St. Victoria Castle has been into existence right from World War II. Number 2, it was a wonderful spot out and hideaway place for some of the soldiers in World War II. And some soldiers have committed suicide there. Not courageous enough to go and face the war. Okay, exclusively some Germans. You understand? And I speak about World War II, you know the significance of Germany in World War II. Number 3, St. Victoria Castle can give you fresh appearance if it has to give a fresh appearance. Let's say you people are all excited. You go and see, wow, what a beautiful place. It will appear as a beautiful place for your eyes. If I am approaching it as a sacred and a haunted place, it will appear as a haunted place for me. So it's very deceptive in nature. The third point is a very important one. It's very deceptive in nature. It will communicate to your subconscious mind. In whichever way you look, it will give you that way.
Then why should we be scared to enter that haunted place?
You can look at it as like an amusement park, no?
Amusement park, you will have fun. You are very
If you are
enjoyable.
so assertive and courageous, you can go ahead and do that. But the 4th point I haven't completed as well. 4th point, as I mentioned, if you go in, there is no way you are coming back.
Then how did you come back, sir?
You said last night you were there and now you are just sleeping.
This is the problem with the hot, boiling blood of youngsters, right? So you ask too many questions. I wanted to give you some piece of information that I have given, and don't believe it, they are giving this very information. Peace for everybody. All the very best. All the very best. I'm not saying rest in peace. You can be happy in that. I'm just saying peace. God bless you, children.
You just
He's
don't mind
69 years old now, he's telling us peace.
Peace,
Don't
that's
live.
just it. It's just that.
So, please.
Peace, 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 peace.
Now the village people have been giving very good information about Victoria Castle. But this stranger has come and given some disturbing information about that. But as you could see, youngsters are always really gutsy enough to analyze things. Now there will be a conversation. The stranger might have given some disturbing information, but that has really kindled and stimulated the interest of these people. So they have made the decision to visit Victoria Castle. So let's see the conversation. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here in this you can see the Robinson will also be there
That's all.
as a guideline.
Anybody want the online?
He will be with us.
You will be
நீங்க
with us.
கான்வர்சேஷன் பண்ணுங்க எப்படி வரணும் நான் வரேன். Anybody from the online team would like to contribute something? Nitin Murugan, would you like to talk? Now that this disturbing information has been given to the people,
Sir, may I, sir?
Prabhavati, go. 3, 2, 1. In character. Come on.
So, friends, is it real that that man told? I think he's trying to
You
confuse
are
us.
saying that Frankie.
What do you all think? But
But I don't believe this sort of things. What do you guys say?
yeah, it's all our immigration.
It's all or what?
Immigration. Oh, is it wrong word or?
It is imagination.
Yeah, we can keep it that way too.
I don't think that person.
I think
You have to argue that that person, that stranger, is the one who is misleading. As village people, நாங்க சொல்றது தான் நீ கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி you have to argue. Online people, fix the conversation on that note. அதை விட்டுட்டு
Okay, sir. So,
Okay, sir.
so persons don't obey that man's word. So he's basically a somewhat a bad person, mentally disturbed person. Don't.
Oh, he's a mental, sir.
Sir.
You told us that before it's.
hey, யார் நான் mentally disturbed?
They're not user. Incorrect. So don't obey his words. So next person, that person, he is willing to talk.
Sir, but he said that he visited that place last night. Then we could believe him and his facts are also almost believable.
And his voice like he's not feeling
But
well.
it,
Continue.
But ma'am, you have to see the majority, right? He is just one man.
He's
Many of them are here saying the same point.
What is
He's
this?
among the village and he's more older than us.
Yeah, and we are having advantages, but that man is giving disadvantage, so don't listen to him.
Sir, so you
and ma'am,
think
we
that
have been here for more than 50 to 60 years, ma'am. So he just came last week, ma'am. So all your thoughts and your wish.
Sir, you look very young, but now you are saying that you lived here for
you
60
look
years.
like you're on what, maybe 30 or 40.
Yeah.
Now you are telling us that you have been here for 70 years.
No, we all came here. So basically, my parents and my friends' parents all came in this place before 60 or 70 years. So you can understand.
Okay, sir.
Very much.
But let us visit that place.
Let's visit and see
It's
what
very
is that. What is
interesting
that?
and it's very crispy too. Let us visit that
Can we
place.
talk with our friends now?
Yeah, we should better, and we should take it in our perspective. We should just, as you said, amusement park through that
So
perspective.
you just said, how do you visualize it? It looks like that.
Yeah.
Look like possible.
Bobby knows. Bobby knows.
Definitely.
Power Rangers? Power Rangers.
Definitely it would be a nice place to be.
good morning. Did you speak to a person a little while ago?
Yes.
I'm going to stay a little away from you because the person is seriously ill and he is from our village. And as a matter of fact, he interacted with me, so who knows? I should also be staying away from you. So you better stay away from me, right? Shall we go?
Can you say?
What do you do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good, sir.
Wait. How did you know, sir?
My name is Peter Robinson. I'm a retired army soldier, born in Indian Army. I belong to this village basically. So whoever speaks whatever in the vicinity of the village will reach me. Okay.
Oh, you're like that.
I am like what? I am like what?
You're like
Yeah. You imagine whatever it is, I'll fit into that.
Okay, sir. We are ready, sir.
So you are army officer. Hey, calm down.
What?
We still have to confirm with our online
We have
friends.
to go. It's 10 days since we completed our exams.
We still have 1.5 months to go. Don't you?
Just
We
1.5
still have to confer with our online
When I was an youngster, I was always super excited like you to visit a place that is having a lot of mystery attached to it. So there's no wonder you people are also getting the way. So you see our wavelength is matching terribly.
Right, sir.
So you should obey your friend.
Ah.
So let's go.
Come.
Wait, let's confirm with that.
Online friends are there. What is
Okay,
that?
I mean, they are going to be virtually along with you. Just like a crow follows the eagle. Wherever you go, they are going to be along with you, right? Okay, fine. Have a word with them. I'll wait here.
Trying to take his lesson.
Yeah, you can have a word with the online people. The online friends of these people. Peter Robinson reporting. I'm really
Come
happy.
on,
with you.
James. Come on.
Sir, out of classes, sir. Vijay are leaving, sir.
Okay. Vidya and Aditya, you hear me? So, are you joining in the US batch on Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.
Hi, sir.
Bye, everybody.
Bye,
Bye,
dear
bye.
teacher.
Hi, dear. I'll check it and withdraw. Bye, dear. I'll check it and withdraw.
கீழே போ ஆண்டி என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு கேடு வெளியே வீசு சானிடைசர் கொடுப்பாங்க சோப் கொடுப்பாங்க கையை வாஷ் பண்ணிட்டு வா. So a baby has got its milk tooth disturbed and it has come out and the baby is going downstairs. And the baby's name is Kavin Karthik. Bye bye baby.
What, sir? You said something about ghost and all. Now this speech is
Tooth fairy, yeah?
You should take tooth fairy. I mean, I think that old man might have told you. I mean, whatever the perception you have about the castle,
Yes.
you thought it was a tooth fairy, and there you go, the tooth fall down.
How?
Bat cave.
Sorry?
Bat cave.
You better check your nose, sir. So why don't you get up and come along? You are seriously investigating a lot of things with your friends. Okay, let me check which friend is giving you a tangible information. Ask them.
Hey, come on, friends. Come on.
Speak.
Nice.
You better
What
leave
is
that
that?
one and say first. There's
Ask-
not a get to
Ask that Samir guy. You might be wondering how I know your friend's name, but you don't even have to give me that weird name. But ask Samir guy. He will explain.
If Samir speaks up,
Samir, where are you?
And here,
Samir is
No,
with
no,
me.
no. Samir.
Samir, that spectacle wearing person.
Nitin Murugan.
Now he is forgetting his own name. Something is wrong.
Yes.
We'll go.
He will leave.
No, I was having tech issues. Sorry.
Yes, Mr. Samir, you can speak now.
I think you should listen to the village people because they're the ones that have lived here before for a longer time, so they should know more about the place.
There you go. Shall we move?
Definitely, I'm ready. Come on, take a bag.
Mr.
Excuse me, sir.
Sit down, lady.
May I know who you are, sir?
What's your name, first of all? James, right?
My name is James, sir.
So, Mr. James Bond, my name is Peter Robinson, and I've been working in the Indian Army for several years, and I have retired, and I'm back in my village. This is my own village. The village panchayat has administered me as a yeoman here. You must be knowing who is a yeoman, Y-E-O-M-A-N. A yeoman is a person in the village who is the chief. So I'm the yeoman of this village, and whoever is coming as a new visitor listens to the yeoman. Here your friends, exclusively that guy, this girl over here, this girl over here, are not listening to me, while that girl and this guy are ready to listen to me.
They are simply being cautious.
Thank you for the compliment.
You're most welcome. What's your name?
Adilya, sir.
Adilya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
I
Adilya,
completed
Adilya.
BSc biomedical engineering.
okay, Adilya, you look like my elder sister. So
Thanks, sir. BTech, sir. I got confused.
happens in this village.
Thank you.
So Mr. James, if you would like to come along with us, I'd also have the pleasure of showing you the castle. Are you willing to come, Mr. James?
Obviously, sir, I'm also coming with you, sir.
Obviously, you are likely to come. Okay, right, that's good. You seem to have a lot.
I'm also coming, sir.
Thank you, sir. You seem to be having a lot of doubt, lady. What is your doubt?
Yes, sir. No one actually got a right, sir.
If you have been thinking that, what's your name, madam?
Sarah, sir.
So, Miss Sarah, had you been thinking that, you should not have come to this place first of all.
But I want to explore also.
See, you want the Jews. At the same time, the Jews should not get you away. So you are having this dual design, right? If you want to continue to do with Jews, you need to allow the Jews to get you away, right? Okay. So come along with me. I'll try to give you the assurance.
You will use and we believe in you, sir. Come, I will come with you. Come, sir.
Thank you, Arvind. Yes. Right.
Well, like a big
Gym guy. You are like a gym guy.
Sir, this very famous man, like Sin Chan Muhammad Chan, sir.
Oh, Chan. Right?
Yes, sir.
Your name, man?
Aisha.
Aisha. Your name, sir?
Ashwin.
Ashwin. Your name, sir? Rahul. Right. Let's go. Come.
Oh, sit down. Sit.
Friends, someone took us. Sorry, yeah. Someone take us also. You left us here.
You are traveling through the phone of your friends, so don't worry.
See, I will connect from this.
Yeah, see, they will collect from that device. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, so now the sequence goes like this. The friends, all the friends are entering the castle's front hall. This is the castle's front hall, and it is not very exciting venue over here in the front hall, but they are interested to be here. And at the same time, they have a lot of doubt because of the villagers. The villagers have been mentioning about the weird happenings of this particular house. But Peter Robinson is trying to give the assurance that nothing will happen for them. So they basically, all you people, yourself and the college students, your friends, they're all very courageous people and they don't have anything to be feared about. That's the nucleus advantage over here. But there is a kind of a doubt in every single person's mind. Whether this place is a good place, there is a kind of a doubt. So you are also going to speak with the same doubt. When Peter Robinson gives some terms and conditions in this house, you will listen to what the terms and conditions really are in this particular sequence. Wait for it and act according to the terms and conditions that Peter Robinson says. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, everybody come inside. So this is the front hall.
Very nice.
As you can see, it is more of the old school vintage way. 1924, 1934 kind of furniture.
It's nice.
Yes, teakwood. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Why is it not opening, sir?
That's not opening until that stopped opening until a soldier tried to kill himself by stabbing that particular lock onto his chest. So,
Sanitizer here. Take it.
Why is it so dark, sir?
it was illuminating properly, but ever since the girlfriend of the soldier hanged herself here, so it has become dark night. So, Sarah,
Sir, there is really somewhat desk down there, sir. That corner. No one
Yes.
is there to clean. Yes, sir, there only.
that's actually a coffin. Contained the royal body of one of the soldiers who committed suicide.
What is this? He's doing like that. He died of food poisoning.
Leave it, just enjoy.
Just enjoy the
Very
don't-
nice. Can I take
Sir,
it?
are there some servants, sir?
You can. Sorry?
Are there some servants here to clean and do service for us?
I will arrange some. Don't worry, I will arrange some. I have some terms and conditions to be explained to you. You people are going to stay. Are you staying here?
Yeah.
Yeah, for 1 week.
Is it horizontal load or vertical load, Mr. Rahul?
Yes.
Can I take it as a yes?
Yeah.
You take it as he'll follow us when you want to.
The first and foremost term and condition is please don't wake up between 12:30 a.m. and 3:45 a.m.
12:30 a.m. 3:45 a.m.
My midnight snack.
Sorry?
Leave it.
You want to sacrifice.
1 week is a sacrifice.
Meditation time, sir.
Madam, the reason why I am asking you not to wake up at that time is you will see some unwanted visitors. So, if you are seeing the visitors, they will try to talk to you. You will have to go for a conversation.
That's another.
She found this serious.
I'm just saying the outright truth of this particular
Ah,
place.
this one
You want to enjoy this place, friends. You want to sacrifice
Right.
something.
follow everything. He's elder, much older than us. Listen to him always speaking something.
Right, so if you'd like to enjoy your vacation, you will have to oblige all to these terms and conditions. It's as simple as that. I mean, when you are getting into a hotel and if people are living there at the hotel, and if you are meddling up with their shift timing and your shift timing are not matching, then you will have unwanted conversation, right?
Yes, yes.
So your shift timing is morning 6 o'clock to evening 10:30. But after that, don't care about your things. Do that, weird things will happen.
Cash flow?
Okay, right. Don't wake up. As Sarah mentions, don't wake up and try to do meditation or therapies during that time. In fact, you will be connecting them so much. If Sarah wakes up and if she does the meditation at that point of time, those people will be easily connected with you. Because when you are doing meditation, your subconscious is open. So, the people's entry ticket is the subconscious mind being open. So, if your subconscious mind is closed, they cannot do you any harm. If your subconscious mind is open, let me tell you, when are the times that your subconscious mind is open? When you are having a deep sleep, when you are doing meditation, when you are enjoying a wonderful cup of coffee, or when you are savoring food, your subconscious mind is wide open. Please don't do all that here. Because you have people who are trying to enter into your subconscious.
But we had a
No
sleep
food
like
also,
that.
sir.
I mean to say that you don't have food during that time.
Oh. But
They take snacks.
Let's say, for example,
Yes,
Mr. Rahul, if you are
sacrifice.
feeling thirsty by 3 o'clock in the morning, and there is a old vintage, old school refrigerator out there. You go to the refrigerator and you try to take some hot water, some cool water. Wrong things might happen there. Wrong
current
things.
cut.
Yeah. Wrong things means only that.
Okay, sir.
But if you like to see what real wrong thing is doing, why don't you go and open the refrigerator by 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, right? Try to do that. Okay?
That's
If you want, try or else go somewhere.
Terms and condition number 2. Never ever leave a particular person alone in a room. Exclusively boys. Exclusively boys. 3 girls and 3 boys. If you people are going to be alone in the room, no problem. If you leave Rahul back there or Chan back there or Ashwin back there, because we have somebody called as skull hunters here. So,
Who?
skull hunters. Skull
Skull,
hunters.
skull, brain, red color.
Exactly. Skull hunters. Skull hunters are looking for male skull. And as you could see, Rahul has got pretty big skull. More than the brain, everything is big for him.
Astro science and all he studied.
That's right. The radius of the skull is very, very wide, and he's going to be very fit for that. So Rahul, you better don't be alone here.
We are nobody the God
But I
medicine.
when they go and fix another, what am I supposed to do? I can't go there.
You will have to get accustomed to all that, Mr. Rahul. Third term and condition. Please make sure that you don't hurt your fingers, your nails. Please make sure that you don't shed a drop of blood in this house. Okay? I know Sarah has got the problem of doing wrong manicure and pedicure sometimes, and she always drops a lot of blood. Am I right, Sarah? So you got to be really careful. And I know Chan had not been given proper training how to shave. So he always cuts his chin with a blade, and he breaks hand. This guy
He
Ashwin,
also does the manicure pedicure thing, but that's another matter.
but this guy Ashwin, he always punches his own self and he breaks his tooth. We just saw.
Yes, always he does
Yeah.
that. Please don't mind.
So, and over there, this guy Rahul, during sleep he eats a lot of things, he scratches his own skin and a lot of blood comes. So please make
Be
sure that.
careful. We want to be careful.
Okay?
Okay, sir, let's do
Maybe
it.
hold your manicure.
I have one last thing, the fourth term and condition.
Continue, sir.
The fourth term and condition, avoid the following vegetables here.
Following
Vegetable number one.
Wait, I know it already.
No, it's okay, it's okay. You will not be able to forget, even if you try to
Because
forget.
I have to cook right. I have to cook here. I have to cook now.
That's
No,
another
no, no,
important
no.
thing that we
What?
need.
One more time, you say that you are cooking, I will go right now.
Hey,
I don't care about the
Hey,
person.
I
you
will
cook here.
cook and not cook. I will not eat your food.
You
Sir, you can add some
beat
beef.
yeah,
He will. Why should you worry
No
about?
beetroot, no carrot,
No
No.
BC.
no beetroot, no carrot, no lady's finger. Because here some people like lady's finger a lot. Some male people like lady's finger a lot. Anything with the name ladies, some male people like here. So no lady's finger.
No, I will take it.
Yeah.
The biggest fortunate people are the ones who are attending, who are staying along with you online. You see, they are not moving anywhere and they have got all these advantages. But please understand, if those people are speaking to you in that time between the time that I mentioned, what was the time?
1 to 3.
Hey, 12:30.
What?
1:30 a.m. to 3:45 a.m.
Oh,
Today, moment shouted to viewers.
no.
During that time, if those people try to communicate with you, damages will not happen to them, happen to you. You understand? So it is. These are the terms and conditions I want to mention.
Okay, sir. Beetroot, carrot, and
Ladies.
ladies.
Only these three.
Yeah.
Okay,
I will
sir.
make sure that I will make the arrangement that your ration are going to be arriving. I will have to take care of that. Within that, you can have some conversation. Coffee is being ordered. Coffee will come. The welcome coffee will come now.
Who will serve it, sir? I have to only serve those, sir. Where's the kitchen? Show
See,
me,
that's
sir.
just a coffee. I am not drinking.
What? I will go to
Yes.
the toilet.
Chan will serve the cups of coffee. It is over there. The kitchen is over there. Chan.
Sir, am I going to? No, I want to sort it out.
Okay,
Am I
I
going
will
to
be
put some
serving
poison?
Yeah, you keep fighting. I will be reaching you in another 2 hours.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. I need to fight with you. Wait.
What?
Am I going to mix poison? Wait, let's see, sir. Sort it out. Wait. Am I going to mix poison in your food? Huh?
Probably.
Probably. We haven't felt since kindergarten.
So only I am telling. I know about you.
What do you know about me? You saw the
Yeah, with all these chemicals and stuff you put on your hand, your face, that itself is enough to kill us.
And what
You
did
are
I
cooking
have?
and
That's
go.
how you saw that I was sanitizing my hands.
Please
Because
stop
this
it
itself.
now.
What you are saying? Have you eaten cooking?
Yeah. Okay. Just stop.
You also hate my cooking.
Last two you didn't come.
Can
You
Here
also
your coffee.
orders
This
will
is
be
not
done
so
to
much important now.
Adios.
For me alone, small cup, small cup alone.
So.
Take this cup if you want.
And you have
Look, keep this cup and go.
tomorrow onwards I'll only cook. If you want eat or go home,
I
I'll
don't
go.
have myself,
Going
go.
for the health. Healthy.
Okay, let's forget about that. Tomorrow morning you said something about drinking and all.
Yeah.
I can't come because tomorrow I have meeting.
Meeting here also it is not
Huh?
the time.
I am attending my online interview. What are you thinking?
Just you can't spend with friends for 1 week.
Tomorrow online interview I am telling you,
Just not hear the terms and condition.
2 hours only. Okay.
We can't leave you for 2 hours or 1 week.
You go, I will take care. Anyway, I can't come to
You will
drinking
be
and all.
tomorrow.
What?
You will be over tomorrow.
Why?
Star hunters. You not hear?
Hey, what are you talking about? That is joking. This is
It's
also.
not joking, Bill. Remember you are a male.
Amen.
Don't worry, I know.
That way you are an
I am
aerospace
coming for
engineer.
you.
That way you are an aerospace engineer and you know what will happen. Your skull is very big as you say.
Yeah.
That's why
Brain is big, okay? Don't get it.
That's why you are fighting with me always about my food. Have you
No,
ever
no,
been
no.
at
Simple as that. Tomorrow I will not come. Tomorrow I have to
Okay.
interview at the NASA. Okay.
Go to you.
See that something got open.
See, my what is it called?
Yeah.
Your farm, this doesn't look like a document of your farm. Personal data, biodata, nothing.
You
It
can-
looks like something else.
Go. What We are trying to unmute. What do you want to tell? James?
Bond.
Samir?
Nothing, I think so. The Peter came. Nothing.
Not bad. You are seeing something?
No. I thought Pete Robinson, I was seeing someone near the corner. I don't know exactly who it is.
Hey, I can't take this chance. Hey, what is this here?
Nothing
Nothing
to say.
is there. Nothing is there, only that. What is it? I don't know what it is.
Something.
That's some antique psychology.
Give me
Antique piece.
See, this also you don't know to do properly. I'm going to cook up. Imagine if you put this much salt.
Anything, pizza, burger, anything.
I have it in your pizza.
Please don't fight.
Not eating anything.
Stop fighting.
What? James? James?
Stop fighting.
Is fighting so important now?
He only started fighting, so ask him.
She only suggested cooking.
Yes, cooking. I know cooking. It's my hobby.
Okay, stop.
I cook.
Stop talking about cooking. You itself cooked, you all died. No problem for
You
you.
also die. You are
You
also
also
going to
eat
eat that.
painful.
Yeah, if you want, you don't even.
Move on to something else. As I said, tomorrow I will not come. Day after tomorrow I will join you. Okay.
Okay, do something not bad to join day after tomorrow.
Why you are always trying to frighten me?
You are there.
Night reduce get I'll die from some heart attack. So these two guys are safe, you are saying?
Yeah, they
yeah,
are going to
yeah,
accompany
yeah.
us. We are going to accompany them. No, they are going to accompany us.
I will keep a picture of him with me. So
Picture of him.
Picture.
The ghosts and those people will know that you are.
I don't care. Tomorrow I have my interview. You know what? Maybe I'll postpone it. Wait one second.
Postpone it to next month.
2 days.
Next
I post-
month.
2 days.
Next month.
Are you
Next
fool?
month I'll go.
One
Next month.
week you are there.
For getting visa itself will take 3.5 years. 2 days.
We are
Okay.
speaking here and can't you recognize the thing that we are speaking? Are you a fool?
I don't care.
You
Okay,
won't
this school is
care.
about to go and earn 3.5 crores per year. You beat that.
Think of money,
Obviously,
don't
money,
think of
money,
that.
money, money.
What you're thinking? You're singing song of money.
That's why we are not eating these kinds of food.
I don't
Go
care.
scout.
What does Samir? What do you think? What do you think? Look at them. I have an interview due to some old man's.
You don't believe it.
They are living for
Samir.
50 or 50 years.
You have to obey the terms and conditions set by him, right?
I don't have to obey anything said by him. Okay. After all, he's a tour guide. I will attend my interview
Not
2
a
days
tour
after.
But more than you, he is
He only knows about this castle very much. You have to obey him.
Yeah.
You obey. You obey. You obey. You
I
obey.
will cook my food and
I
I
will
will
obey. You be
eat
you.
it and let us see what happened to you.
We'll see.
Okay, I will cook and you are going to eat it.
Okay, we'll see.
Try.
What? No.
Okay.
Okay, if I eat your food, will you leave me? Let me attend my interview.
Okay.
That goes.
Okay, I will go and cook everything. You have to eat and then only you will.
Sir,
I
please.
have almost forgotten to say that you should not be making noise in this castle because that will disturb the people. Okay, so what have we decided?
Peter,
Which room for which person? Who is going to take that room near the hall?
No, that coffin corner, they will take.
What?
I will sleep wherever you are sleeping.
I
You're
will stay here.
scared. You're
What?
scared.
I'll be shuttling between the village and castle.
So you're not going to be with us?
No, I'm not going.
Then I'll share a room with. Where's the puja room here?
What do you mean, Puja?
With this guy you're going
You
to
mean
stay.
spiritual room?
Yeah, spiritual room.
There is no spiritual room in the castle.
Peter, I have an information to
You get me on grass.
you.
I will hug it and sleep.
You wait. Hey, Peter, tomorrow we are all going for trekking. This guy, this idiotic guy is going to stay here.
No.
Wait.
Tomorrow I will join the. She's lying,
No,
sir.
no. Just now he saw.
Sir,
Wait.
these are my interview postponed, sir.
Sir, ask him to keep quiet. Let me complete, sir.
Just now, I mean, the 2 hours back, I told you the term and condition that you should not be leaving somebody alone.
Yes, sir. We will all follow what you are talking about.
Now only you say.
Okay. Finish.
Sir, so we told that we aren't supposed to leave him alone here, sir. So what he said that no, I'm going to attend the interview, sir. So what I said, we had a deal to be a deal, sir. So I'm going to cook my food, sir, and I'm going to keep here, sir. If he eats that, he will stay here, sir. Or else he will accompany us. He has to eat, and then only we will agree
and you both can go for the friendly proposition that you both have. But if Rahul is going to be alone here, he has to be staying in a separate room here. If you are leaving him alone, leaving him back alone, he is supposed to be there, not in this particular place.
Okay.
This is only the frontal room. I haven't explored. I haven't given you the campus tour of this castle. Chan, would you like to stay along with Rahul?
No, I'm accompanied.
Why? Why all of you, or why are you hesitating?
We
No,
are
yeah, no,
not
please, I
hesitating.
don't care what they say. I have an interview, I need to be mentally prepared for it, so I need to do some.
You mentally be prepared and mentally die also.
See, they're pulling me down, sir. What to do, sir?
I am going to go.
Are you
and
sure you are
going
going to
be
leave?
there.
Are you sure you are going to leave one of your friends back?
Sir, we had a big argument here, sir, for the past 2 hours.
But he is saying that he
It's been 2 hours.
2.5
Sir,
hours.
sir.
It's getting good. It's getting good. See, innocent guy, very nice.
Innocent. Tomorrow morning I cook my food and then only we will have this argument. That's it.
You know
have
what?
any drinks, sir?
You know what?
Drinks, sir?
You know what, Miss Arthur?
Yes, sir.
The ration is available right now. You're about about 30 minutes before your sleep time. Why don't you go try the food cooking?
better you know.
I will go.
Please let me leave.
Just you can see, I mean, after 35 minutes, you will see if he's alive.
Okay, okay.
And,
I will go. Done, done. Be.
okay, I'll inform in the walkie-talkie that my servants. Okay, so you will hear me. The housemates are one of the housemates are is going to cook. You don't bother cooking. You all can go back home.
Sir, every night you will be here in the castle or the village, sir?
Once you wake up, I'll be here. Once you hit your bed, I'll be gone. That's all it is. I'm not supposed to be here in the castle
During night.
during the night. That's instruction that has been given by the village panchayat. I would love to stay around with you, but the village panchayat doesn't allow me to stay.
So you will be guarding us for limited time, right?
Exactly. I will be guarding you. No matter what happens, I will be guarding you.
For limited time. We can hire some 24/7 guard or something, sir. Or some priest to do that Appalappa Sattva.
Well, Mr. Rahul, for the past 37 years, no priest is bothering to come to this castle. And in the Pentecostal organization and association, they are really trying to change the name of this castle. It's in the God's name, Saint Louis Victoria, right? So they are going to take the prefix Victoria. So it's going to be called as some other castle.
What is this?
Vladimir Castle. Vladimir is a person who has committed his suicide first. So they are going to name it
Better call it Hitler Castle. So many people are dying here.
Vladimir Castle. So technically 2 to 3 working days it is going to be transformed into Vladimir Castle instead of Victoria Castle. So that pride is reaching you because you are the ones who are the first people to stay here when this place is being renamed into Vladimir Castle. Is that-
You let it be said. You eat this first and then prove that you
Yeah, prove that you are going to be alive.
eat and I will help serve you. Wait.
No, 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 no.
Then,
Your hands full of that foreign nail polish.
okay.
It is funny that you put it on.
See, okay.
So
Alcohol.
what is this?
Alcohol! Oh my god! I will accept, sir. I will accept, sir.
No alcohol and cigarettes around here. Oh my God.
I have to pay for
I
it.
pity this guy, Rahul.
That's what I said.
I pity him.
You pity who?
The person who eats the food.
Eat this completely go. This is not the one sir. Take this on your lap and eat this. Get it, man.
I'm a slow eater.
Eat it.
You all go to sleep.
No,
I will
no.
eat it.
We know what
Then
to
you
do.
will be not there.
You eat before us itself.
Okay, don't look at me like that for me and some of you.
You eat first.
Okay, everything is okay. Your dinner is ready, so I don't have any.
Yeah, it.
Hey, you
Perfect,
told
Akka.
it. You told it.
No, 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 no.
Okay, eat this in front of us.
Sir, I think it's bedtime.
Sir, I want him to eat this, sir.
I'm switching off the lights.
Eat, man. Eat. Eat. Eat.
Yeah. Yes.
Eat.
Yes. Take it. Come on. Sit down.
We can't believe him, sir. Do you know how much big betrayal?
What do you want me to do? You want to take blood test or something
Ah.
to check whether the minerals have been
Do that.
added?
Sir, no mineral. Only fat.
Hey,
What is it?
what fat? Am I
No
missing lot
mineral,
of oil?
only fuel.
What? What did you say that?
I mean to say, if somebody is eating your food, it is not no mineral, only straight away fuel.
Sir, I respect you a lot, sir. This is
Joke.
disrespecting me, sir.
Joke, Adilya, joke, just a joke. See, everybody's
French
having
fries.
French fries, sir. You eat that.
Don't eat your
Okay, online
I
team,
eat. It's very tasty, you know.
time for Peter Robinson to leave. First night, the first night you are spending over here, sleeping in this particular castle. Do you have any questions to me before I leave? I need to have a good sleep, so.
Okay, we don't know, but it should be very dark. We will be lie on this bed.
Okay, Sarah, Aisha and Adilya, the room is ready for you over there.
We should accompany them, right?
No, these three people should be staying in a separate room.
Oh.
You three separate room.
Okay.
And when you are going for, at what time you are starting for the trekking?
maybe it's 6. It's okay? 6. Yeah, not maybe. 6.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? Eat that first.
Nine.
Alright, get good amount of sleep. Alright, good night, everybody. Sleep with dreams.
Very dark night.
Okay.
So, the night that they are spending, they are sleeping at Saint Victoria Castle, and now Peter is going to explain the next sequence.
So the next sequence is the early morning, sir. At about 6 o'clock, everyone will go for a trekking, sir. Once again, we'll all ask you in Sir Naglan. But he'll again say, I'm not coming, I have some work to do, sir. He'll stay here, sir. We all will go there, sir. He just continued for at least for 5 days, sir. We never chasm, sir. With the enjoyment, we never chasm, sir. He's just seeing the room. So every rooms are open. He's just seeing the one week that room. So it was closed for a long time, sir. He asked you, sir. He asked you, sir. But you also said he can't open that room. He then asked why are you staying here, and we just make him to stay in let's say the room which you said, sir. And then what happened? At last we just came here. We had asked him that he's okay, sir. He said I'm fine, I'm good. It's not as much you said here, sir. That's all.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Like, good morning.
Good morning, Yoshi.
Good morning.
Hey, aren't you all ready?
Good morning, Adilya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Peter, sir.
Mission accomplished. Is Rahul still alive after eating your
Yeah.
Yeah, he's alive.
And now can you?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay.
All systems and all parts properly working.
50-50.
Now accept that I'm looking very good.
Good morning, everybody. From the online friends of Adilya, good morning, everybody.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Peter.
Did you
Good
have
morning.
yeah? Did you have any troubles and problems whatsoever staying here? What trouble you will have?
No, sir.
So we just enjoyed it.
So far, nothing, sir.
Okay, so people, if you are going for trekking, then the time is now. It's 5:55 a.m. and it's good to go for trekking at 6 o'clock. Have you changed your mind? Would you like to join them?
Okay.
What are we going to do with
Just
this
leave
now?
it, sir.
All the best for
No,
the
no, no,
interview,
no.
guys.
Last interview.
No, no, wait. Oh, you have the interview now.
Yeah.
All the best for the interview,
All
guys.
the best.
Bye.
Bye.
When I get 3.5 crores, I'll remember you. Don't forget.
Really, yeah, Rana.
We are seeing that you will be alive when we are coming.
Nice joke, go, go, go.
Sure, you're going to stay here long?
You are going over, sir?
No, I'm just asking you if you're. I'll have to be there at the village. I'm not supposed to be here for a long time. You're going to go. That's what I was asking. You said NASA interview something.
It's not so. My legs
Anybody would like to stay? Unfortunately, your online friends can also not stay around. You stay? But you
Dave,
sit.
sir. I can do it, sir. You have any cross? Something like this.
Sir, cookie and எடுத்துக்கலாமா sir?
Some holy water.
First of trekking, we can take some profit.
Go for the trekking.
Wait, we will go.
Wait,
We
madam,
have,
we are in character and screen.
sir, we are not
Sir,
Take your
Yeah,
sticks
listen.
and go.
Is it time for you?
I have to leave, sir. Yes, sir. I have to get ready for school, sir.
Right. See you tomorrow and participate more at least tomorrow. Will that be fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Everybody say
Bye,
bye.
Nathan Kishan.
Okay, put on the door sequence, sir. Akka, idea. So, Peter sir, when will you come back?
Whenever you want me to, just give me a call.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay? So, remember the number that I gave you last night?
Yes, sir.
Just give a call. Hey, are you sure you're leaving him again? One last time.
Go, I don't need you, go.
The last year,
At the last.
last, yeah,
At the
coming
last.
He has heard it since.
No.
No.
You look like that.
No, no,
Very
no.
drowsy.
I am fine. Go.
The face don't doesn't.
I ate your food, no, so only go.
Who's that?
Sir, no murders allowed. Apply for something.
You just ask me for a cross. If you're not afraid, then why are you asking for a cross?
I am afraid of failure. Sir, go.
What food?
Sir, what sir? I am not afraid. Go.
Right,
Then
right,
keep that away.
right,
I have a shower.
right.
It's
Both
here.
of you, you group of people and him. If you got any problem, just give me a call. I'll be there. Right?
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Do something here. I just
I'm
see you.
just after the interview, I'll just let's go.
You can explore, but only point is I'll not be here.
Okay.
Is it fine?
No problem.
I got
You,
something.
you gave me the class, no?
Right.
No problem.
Okay.
Some holy word. Oh, that is hand. I will make it up, sir.
Stay good and stay strong.
Yes, sir. Stay strong. I will open a PDF of the Bible. No problem.
So please, now the entire crew has gone for trekking and Rahul alone is left back in the castle. Let's see what happens.
Excuse me, sir.
Interview over.
Yes.
Sir, will the online pupils also will be here, sir? It's now or not, sir?
Yeah, you can speak whenever you want. But nothing is going to give a comment say free feeling if anybody is physically present. So you can speak whenever you want.
Okay, sir.
Three, two, one, go.
Interview complete. NASA confirm. Go.
So he goes to the western corner of the castle and there he finds a big sofa and he tries to sit on the sofa. So once he sits on the sofa, he starts feeling weird feelings and realizing that he immediately stands up. Let's see that sequence.
What is this? I have to call
Initially he feels very relaxed and being so comfy and all that. And the cross itself is converting itself into a knife and it goes slowly towards his throat. He fails to realize that. He's just looking at the photograph, but the left hand is converting the cross into a knife and is taking him to the bizarre end of its aiming its throat, his own throat, and he realizes only at the last second.
What? What?
Now, he suddenly realizes that the cross is getting back to the shape and he is having the sigh of relief. And now he slowly approaches the photographs that are kept on the table. The cross is okay now. Table, hours. And there he sees some photographs and suddenly he realizes that some photographs are trying to speak to him.
This is
Now the NASA interview is over.
Peter!
Rahul, turn around. I'm asking you, the NASA interview is over? Or
You? Where are we talking?
Rahul, the pant you wear is really very tight.
What? Where are you?
Rahul, do you think you are safe when you are holding the cross?
No.
Rahul,
Say yes.
Rahul, why don't you sit back on the sofa?
No. That's so very dusty. No. Who are you? Where are you talking to me from? Is this some sort of prank show?
Rahul,
Where are the cameras?
Rahul, do you think you made a mistake not going along with your friends? Rahul, do you want them to be called back? Of course, this poor soul Peter Robinson is always ready. So do you think he can help you?
No, I can take care of myself. I'm
Then why is your hand shivering, Mr. Rahul?
my power.
Rahul, keep answering the question looking at the photograph.
Where are you? What?
You call me, Peter Robinson.
Who are you?
I am Peter Robinson.
No.
I am Peter Robinson. Rahul, I am Peter Robinson, man.
How old are you?
Give it.
How old are you?
Give it. Abhi enna keli ke. Enna andavam karthi.
How old are you?
Rahul. Peter Robinson. Peter. Can you see the sanitizer?
Hold cheese and fish. Yes.
Sanitizer. Can you see me? Those are your friends, man.
Hey, what happened?
What happened? He's all.
Those are your
What
friends.
happened? What happened?
Stay away from me.
What happened?
Stay away from me.
Those are your friends. See?
Stay away from me. Stay away from me.
What
happened?
What happened?
Just tell us.
You can touch him. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tap on his shoulder. Tap on
You
his shoulder.
touched this equipment. You touched this.
Sit down.
Ah.
Relax. Sit down.
Are you
Sit
okay?
down. Oh my God! I told you not to do this.
Hey, it's not because of my footman. Always speaking about it.
There is a possibility that it's because of people.
Sir, you are also discouraging me. What is this, sir?
Rahul,
Then I will really get quiet.
Mr. Rahul Bhattacharya,
But that's it.
put that mask on. Hey, you know my image, right? So you have recognized me. Then why did you fall down here? And I was standing right there. Who are you looking at here? And who are you looking at there? I was standing right behind you.
Is it so, sir?
No, nothing.
What? No, no.
Hey, you were speaking to someone else.
No, I had my phone. No.
Interview over.
Yeah,
Did you shout Peter Robinson at any point of time?
no, I was explaining to
Did you shout Peter at any point of time?
No, I was explaining to the interviewers where I am.
Then why did I come back? Because I heard you screaming Peter. That's why.
You are lying, Rahul.
No, I was laughing.
Even me.
Peter,
Why are you having that cross, that one?
Peter gave it to me for safekeeping.
You
Sir.
are lying something. Your
It's a
face-
cross.
Your
Nothing
body
else.
language doesn't seem like you're normal.
What
Be
body
honest.
Study biomed only. Go, right now. Give
Yeah,
that,
you
give
look
that
here.
to me. Give that to me.
He's shattered and shaken. Don't take advantage of him.
We came here because we left some things here. That's why we came here. We haven't gone for one.
I'll make sure the servers are getting the things back that are required for going for the trekking. So are you guys going for trekking? Can I ask them to leave, Mr. Rahul?
Rahul, your
Are you-
interview got
Again,
over.
we are
Are you
Again, we are
sure?
asking, are you coming or not?
Are you still sticking up with the idea of staying alone here?
Yeah, I have to explore.
Your interview got over.
I ate your food, no. Go.
Sir, I am in it. Ask
Leave.
the servants to bring the
Yeah, we are also
Yeah.
Freeze! Now Rahul Bhattacharya has been in a real shaken way. He has seen a couple of things that really shook him up. But still, he is ready to stay alone. And right now, after those people have left for trekking, he has reached one more room which is full of blood, which is full of weird substances and all that. Being announced, he sits on this particular bench and he puts both his elbows over here on this particular table, and then he holds the head like this, and once he takes the hand back, blood in the palms, blood over the elbow, and blood on his lap. So we will see that sequence now. 3, 2, 1, go.
What is this new room? What's this smell? Hello? Who's there? Shut!
Sit down now, sit down. Sit down. Sit down on the wood bench. Come on, sit down.
Hi, who are you? Who are you? Am I going mad? Who are you?
Why your blood on your palms?
Who are you? Is there some?
Why blood on your elbows?
Is there someone behind me? I didn't do anything.
Why blood on your
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Please let me know. Please, please. Hello?
Peter Robinson, Peter Robinson. What goddamn is wrong with you, man? Every single time I'm asking you, are you ready to be alone? And each time I'm leaving you alone, you are in trouble. Did you shout or not?
Nothing.
What are you checking on your lap, elbow and palms? Huh?
No, I had some grease.
Grease, huh? Grease. Newly painted furniture.
Yeah, so only is the thinner I think.
Maybe the paint or thinner. Okay, right. Go. Come on here. You know what? I'm calling the trekking people out.
No, let them.
No.
Why should be spoiled their food? You don't be. I know to take care of myself.
Hey, come on, you are disturbing me. I'm shuttling between the villages way and over here. I have not even reached the passage to go to the village.
No, you can go. I will. I'll take care of myself.
Explore. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Am I archaeologist or somebody to explore this place? There is one more room over there, and if you are going to die if you are going to the room. Here.
Which room?
So over there, is the coffee. There is the door. We are going down. Don't you see? Okay, I'll wait here. Go. Enter the room. I'll wait here. Go. See this one. Sure. Turn back. Go. Don't open the door. So get inside. Wait up. I'm going to block.
This room?
I'm here. Okay? Nobody disturbs you. I'm here.
Peter, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm right outside. Just explore. No problem.
This room is very dark. I can't see anything clearly.
There is a light switch very near to you.
Where?
Right side of you. If you're standing, right side of you. Yeah, right. See, look at that. The light is glowing, man. Look up. The light is glowing. Do you want me to come inside? No problem?
No problem. I think one light is flicking on and off.
That's okay. That's a pretty.
It's gone off now.
No, don't bother, man.
No.
No, it's not off. I'm able to see the illumination out of the room.
No, here I can't see. What are you talking about?
That is, it's really,
No.
really very bright.
No, something's wrong here. No.
I'm right here.
Where are you?
I'm just outside. I told you this. I'm outside. I'm right here. Don't worry.
Where are you?
Are you? Hey, I'm right outside. Okay, you know what? Come out of the room.
What?
Come out of the room.
Really? Okay, I'm coming out now.
Peter Rounds. Where are you going? Going out of this room? Who's standing outside the room? I'm here. Who's standing outside the room? Why are you going outside the room? I'm here. When I'm here. Hey, Rahul, speak. Peter Rounds. Who's outside the room?
You were outside just now. How did you get?
Go and see if I'm out there. Go and see if I'm out there. Go. Rahul!
Hello?
Rahul, I'm outside. You said you are coming outside, Rahul.
Where am I?
Hey, Rahul, you're just one step away. You said you are coming outside.
No.
Okay, do one thing. You do one thing. You be inside the room. I will come storm inside. The door is already locked. I will come storming inside, okay?
No.
Be there. Be inside the room now.
I'm inside the room.
You are inside the room?
Yeah, I'm inside the room.
Okay, Rahul, I'm knocking the door. Can you hear me? Rahul, I'm knocking the door, man.
Peter, yes, I can hear you.
You hear me?
Yes.
Then who am I? Why do you say, Peter, you can hear me? I can hear you. I'm standing here. Something is...
But I was just in that room.
You're still in the room. Nobody's outside. You are in the room. Figure out inside. Rahul would have said. People have gone from the bedroom. Nobody's in the room. Come on.
You just...
Let us not go to the reception hall. Sit down. I'm not supposed to touch you unnecessarily because village panchayat has asked me not to sit because of this pandemic and all that. Sit down. Rahul, answer a few of my questions very frankly. Are you in the middle of street treatment or something?
No.
Are you feeling delusional?
No. I don't know.
How many people you came along with?
There were...
Name them.
I don't remember the names.
Russian names. What are Russian names? Name them.
There was Dimitri,
Dimitri.
Vladimir,
Vladimir.
Nataliana,
Well,
Rutherford Anna,
well.
and Daniel. No.
God, I asked about your friends' names, not Russian names. Okay, something is wrong. I'm going to get your friends, okay? I'm going to get your friends.
No, don't leave me alone.
Peter, what is this? There's no way for this trekking. We have it. Take us there. It's very boring. Take us there for trekking.
Adilya.
Take us there for
Adilya. Aisha.
Yes.
We got a serious problem.
What?
What happened?
Check on Rahul.
What
He's
happened?
okay.
He's not okay. Who?
What happened, Rahul?
Hello. Is this Dimitri? Is this Rahul?
Who's Dimitri?
Who's she? Who's she?
What, man?
What happened, man?
And who's she?
No.
Who is he? Is he a boy or a girl? Boy or girl?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Many people say mixture of both. Okay, right, so I can answer that.
What's wrong with you, Rahul?
Here. Is that a girl's voice or boy's voice?
No, that's a boy's voice.
What?
Boy's voice? Yeah, that's Vishnu Priyan. Okay, right. And over here, that guy. And the future. Go beyond. That's a caption that you have generated. You designed the t-shirt for him, don't you? Yes, and over.
Rahul and
Rahul, what happened to you?
There is another friend, 35-year-old friend.
I don't know.
Everybody sit down, please. I will explain. I have the explanation. Okay, Jan, Ashwin, Sara, Adilya, Aisha. You all went to trekking. This guy finished his interview. He went to one room. He sat on a sofa. He got shaken And then he started speaking to the photographs. And then he shouted at me, yes, yes. And I came here. And then he told me that he wanted to get into a room. I was standing outside the room. And inside he's talking to another Peter Robinson, which I even don't know.
On this one, we said you to come
Did you
with us.
take him in the middle of psychiatric treatment or something? Is he alright?
Please
He's alright?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you see him taking any capsules or this?
No, I'm not taking any drugs, okay?
The only thing that he took was his pure food. That's it.
Sir, something happened to him. And it's
Mr.
not
Rahul,
what
can you
happened.
explain crystal clear to your friends what has really happened over here? Today.
Okay, we are not going to shout. We are keeping our mouth shut. And speak.
You want to prove
I attended the interview. And go ahead. I can't remember.
You want any water or juice?
I don't
Are you
remember.
dehydrated? You want something?
I don't remember.
just leave.
Leave it.
When did you start seeing me? You should at least remember that. When did you start seeing me?
You
Yeah, Peter Robinson.
after the sofa. Okay, yeah, I remember now. I sat in the sofa. So,
Did anyone tell you that they are Peter Robinson instead of me? Did you see me in a double stretched way? That is, seeing me in two places at a single span of time? Did that happen?
I think so.
Shall we take him to the hospital? Do that?
Yes, we have
It's the main thing.
It's a main thing for you. That's what your friend says.
I'm alright, I'm not like
No, this
deranged or something.
No. We will postpone everything. We shall meet
But
towards the
we
hospital.
will treat him in the hospital.
I don't think
These people have been going and it automatically became dark. It happens over here. These people are really fine. Even amidst the darkness, they are not seeing anything. Here, in this house, irrespective of the point that the lights were glowing so illuminated, we have been starting to see some paranormal things.
the lights.
The lights were fully on, Mr. Rao.
The,
In that coffin room, the light was fully on. Because you said that you want to explore the place, and I did not have any other choice other than taking you to the coffin room.
But
Because
the light
you are
is-
so mad about exploring. What can I do?
but the light was off.
That's what I'm saying, the light was on. But you said the light was off. But now you're saying light was back on.
No,
Yeah.
I'm saying that the light was off.
The light was on. Even now the light is glowing. Shall we go? I see.
Come, we shall go.
No,
Just leave
wait,
it
I'll
here.
open the door. and you
No.
can see.
No.
Look, look. Can you see the lights on?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Can you see the lights on? Can you see the lights on?
How's it? Lights on or off?
What lights?
Okay,
Every time if you don't mind.
take it to the hospital.
Yeah.
If you're able to come, it will be so nice. Otherwise, I'll have to follow the Indian Army rule. When somebody is injured, we will carry them over the shoulder. You
No,
want me
no,
to do
no. We are not going to any hospital. The nearest hospital is far
Yes.
away.
Nearest hospital is far away.
How come you know that? You leave that you are blabbering something. Please
Did you
come.
speak to legendary Hariharan before?
I am not going to.
To get such an English?
This is
Nearest
especially
hospital?
deranged.
Yeah, the nearest hospital is far away. What kind of English is that?
No, the. I can't.
Okay, I will bring the doctor over here, okay?
That's better, sir. If you don't mind, you please do that.
You know Dr. Fernandez. Fernandez will be faster.
Don't bang your head on the table. Yes, ma'am.
Sit down, at least something.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, doctor.
I'm not an army soldier to give such a
Good
strong
morning, sir.
stuff. What's your name here?
Adilya, sir.
Hello?
Rahul. Just get up.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are things been in this castle? I'll check his BP first.
What is your name, sir?
Fernandez, sir.
Dr. Fernandez.
Sir, do you need anything, sir?
Dr. Fernandez, glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you too.
That means Putin.
Glad to meet you. I'm Dr. Fernandez. Breathe in. I said breathe in. Breathe out. You get a little bit like this. You know. If you think you are going to escape from this castle without giving at least 5 liters of blood from your body, it's not going to happen.
Hey, what happened?
What the
What happened?
Checking the beat.
What happened?
What?
I'm checking the beat.
What? Respect him, Rahul.
Don't touch me.
Come on, be sensible. And the doctor,
Don't touch me.
I was talking about giving
Rahul,
you.
what happened?
Hey, I was talking about giving a shot of paracetamol for you because you are rattled right now, okay?
High five me.
Huh?
High five me.
What happened?
You are in a hallway.
We are in such a world now. Why? What was the need for high five? Clean your hands properly. Come on. If you could be really cooperative in front of all your friends to check. Right up. Right up. Face on the table, please. Face on the table because I need to check your respiration, backstage of the respiration because here, there's a kind of a panting that's happening. When I'm asking you to breathe, you're only panting, not breathing. Breathe. Breathe.
I am breathing.
The moment when somebody asks you the names of your friends, you start by explaining about the names of our own fellow soldiers. And we fellow soldiers are going to tear you apart. Because we've been hearing you, we've been waiting for you.
Doctor, what happened?
What happened, doctor?
What's the matter
This is
with you?
good. Hallway.
He's not cooperating.
Rahul, can you please, we are not having peace of mind. If we want to have peace
You're
of
not
mind,
supposed to just
cooperate
get up.
with them.
See, I'm getting the illness contagious. Loud!
Sir, you want sanitizer, sir?
No, I have a bit of a cold and throat infection. I went to the doctor and I had my test and all that. Nobody gets worried, okay, right?
What, sir? We
I'm just having only cold, okay? So he's very much worried about my illness. Don't worry, I'm just a cold. I have even got a doctor's certificate that it is just a cold.
Yes.
Can I show the doctor's certificate?
No, no.
But I was Can I show the doctor's certificate? 2 days out of the children. 2 days. You're going to be traumatized. Okay, hey, get up. Hello?
Rahul.
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 You're going to back out of this. Look at me. All you need is just sleep. That's what I was telling you. Because I'm telling your friends. All you need is just a couple of hours of sleep and then you'll be fine. You understand?
Sir, do we need to give him any medicine or?
No, absolutely not necessary. He's panicked. This idiot is panicked. And he's not cooperating.
Restless.
Be respectful to the doctors like me. You understand that? I'm a doctor for the Navy soldiers and the Army soldiers. You understand that? My name is Dr. Fernandez.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you so
Do
much.
we need to pay any fees?
You're most welcome. I mean, I don't get money for treating retards. It's charity. Hey, look, you know,
What's
I'm going to
charity?
say-
Respect him. He has respected you and he has come to this castle.
Please call me.
What?
Don't leave him alone. Don't leave him alone.
Now, but please you understand, tomorrow we are going for trekking. Our company has
This
come
place
to
is a
us.
very holy place. Look at me when I'm speaking. 2 days.
2 days what?
What? Today?
What today?
Rahul, why are you jabbering?
Here, doctor, check on him.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you,
So nice of
Or
you.
arranging.
Why are you looking at me like that? 2 days, Rahul. Rahul, 2 days. Rahul, look at me. 2
What
days.
2 days?
Rest.
What's wrong with you? Why are you blasting at everyone?
2 days of rest.
This restless talk.
I think he's scared of something.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. No, okay, sir.
Do you believe people here like Sarah, Aisha, and Atili are saying that they are ashamed of being your friend? Sarah just mentioned.
Yeah.
Because you're scared for nothing. Speechless.
What's happening with you? You have to be honest. Speak out.
Speak out. You need to say what have you seen over here.
Be honest.
You forget everything and how come you say?
I want one explanation from all of you, for which he is resistant to give the explanation. When you people were the trekking, when something bad happened to him, I asked him to reveal the names of his friends. He did not say any of your names. You are saying some Russian names. Could
What
please
are you
ask?
saying?
Yes.
Rahul, who are they?
My side friends.
What?
Sorry.
He was only saying the Russian names.
What Russian names, Peter?
Vladimir, then Dmitry, then
Dimitri.
some names that could even twist your tongue. He's mentioned that. Hey,
I think he had a nightmare, so that's why he's blabbering out.
no, had he been having a nightmare, he would not be spelling those names so correctly, so accurately. Even those people holding their names, they would have got problems pronouncing that name so accurate. But this guy did not even make a mistake. Hey, what's her name? What's her name? Oh my
Speak
God.
out.
Do you have to talk to the doctor again because he's in a very acute position? Would you like to get yourself admitted in the hospital, brother?
Rahul, be
Wait.
honest. Speak out.
Tell me what we can do next.
Because there is no.
Explore?
Packing awesome.
Checking? Set up another interview with the NASA people?
We are not having peace of mind, to be honest. If you speak out, we will get a peace of mind. And if you speak out the truth, and if we find out any solution.
Come and sit over here. Come and sit over here. Sit over here, please.
Yes.
He's your college friend. Let's go back some 2.5 months back in the timeline. You both are in the canteen. A candid conversation between Ashwin and Rahul. Speak.
No more samosa. Samosa.
What are they?
Normally eaten.
Who are they?
I'm your friend Ashwin.
Hallucinations. You don't see Ashwin there, right, Rahul? You're seeing somebody else, then if you're seeing somebody else, tell us who it is. Okay, Sarah. Athilia. Ask something about the food that you served in last night.
Rahul. Rahul, see me. What did I serve you yesterday? I served a snack with sauce. With your hot spicy sauce. You love hot spicy sauce, right? Ketchup. I served a snack with hot spicy ketchup and you loved it. That was the only food you liked and tasted yesterday night. What was it?
Yesterday night, the waffles were sour. I told you yesterday itself.
How come we can serve waffles with this ketchup? It wouldn't be.
No, the maple syrup was.
I'm asking about hot spicy ketchup.
He's blabbering about something.
Sarah, you had a battle.
Oh my God.
Sarah, this is even worse than hunting. So Sarah,
No! My hot spicy girlfriend hand herself.
you had a battle with him last month. So speak about that and let us see if you remember something.
Rahul, do you remember that he said why we had a party?
I serve Hail Hitler. I respected Hail Hitler. He asked me to battle for him.
I'm asking the battle between us.
Yes, you American pig! I wish I could kill you.
Peter, take him to hospital, Peter. We should not stay here. We don't have peace of mind. We wouldn't like to stay where we don't
And
have.
all you filthy mongrels who rounded us up And you
Hey,
Don't grab him.
what are you doing?
don't you dare touch me. Don't you dare touch me.
Just take your hand.
Hey, what are you
Relax.
thinking of yourself?
Alright.
So this is a kind of a spinal cord treatment to take the soul that has been inheriting this body. Okay, so now I have given you a pressure on a particular spot on the spinal cord that will make you speak as Rahul. You'll get your head back up and talk to your friend Sarah, not as a soldier. Yeah, I can understand that in this particular case you are haunted. Speak to Sarah.
Hello Rahul, what was the reason behind that fight last month?
I told you, no, don't copy from my midterms, you will always copy.
You see? Now watch. Sarah, speak to Sarah.
What was the reason?
You pig!
Sarah.
Buffoon! I told you to keep the last samosa for me.
Okay. You said I have to call the doctor again. Now do you understand what has happened? Cross. Put it to the
It's
spinal
not
cord.
good to stay here. We should just move back. So what about Rahul then? We have to do something. Take him to psychiatrist or something. We are not having peace.
No
of mind here.
psychiatrist, no shrink in the world can treat Rahul right now. Rahul only can treat Rahul himself. Look at him. He's a Mad Max retard right now. You see? And he's also very lethally dangerous. If you come near him, he will kill you thinking that you are an American soldier. All the British people have, all the Germany soldiers have got into this body. Whoever hanged themselves in this case. What are you going to do? This is why I have been telling you not to leave a boy alone. See? Aisha. See? This is why I have asked you not to leave a boy alone. The poor boy has been haunted right now. The friends in the online can do nothing. You people, direct people can do nothing. And if I take this cross away from the spinal cord, he will change immediately. See? What kind of vacation you think that is?
What kind of vacation? Let's go! Come on!
You know what, I started liking the kind of travel instead of you. Don't harm him. Please, good job, Ron. So this is a current
Excuse me,
status.
sir.
Yeah, yes.